you will find gathered the chief justices, the presidents of the Supreme Courts of Benin, of Botswana, of Côte d'Ivoire, of Gabon, of Ghana, of Kenya, of Malawi, of Niger, of Uganda, of Senegal, and of Zambia. For all of us here, this represents...
At the level of the Supreme Court, out of the 7 justices, 4 were for upheld elections, 3 were against elections.
Iran's Supreme Leader, Ayatollah Khamenei, has issued a fatwa against the development of nuclear weapons. And President Rouhani has said that Iran would never develop a nuclear weapon. Since Iran's Supreme Leader has issued a fatwa against the development of nuclear weapons, this framework gives Iran the opportunity to verify that its program is in fact peaceful.
With over 25 albums, unforgettable hit singles, and live performances that continue to captivate audiences around the world, Diana Ross still reigns supreme.